Like a rainy Sunday morning makes me wanna stay in bed, twisted up all day long. You're my inspiration, girl, you take me places, put the words right into these songs. Stealing kisses undercover, babe, see forever when I see your face, and I swear.
So now I'm going to measure the working measurement on these tires. I'm going to start from the edge of the tread and measure out. So it's 1.5 inches sticking out from basically the edge of the tread to the sidewall. That's how much is sticking out. So I'm going to go edge to tread, and then add 3 inches to the sidewall. Oh, I really wish I had 3 feet right now. Grab a bungee. Grab the tire somehow. Okay, 3. Go to the edge of the tread for this one. See, that's lined up to the edge of the tread. Not that far. So we're starting out with 10 foot 1.25 inches. So our working tread is 10 feet 1.25 inches. So we want it, let's see how wide we want it. We want it to be set, about 80. A little less than 80 inches. Let's say 78 would be an inch in on each side. Kind of seeing from the outside here, I'm going to see, yeah, it's going to sit on top. These are going to lift up another couple inches because of the leaves. These are going to sit right on top of this. Those are another 5 inches. Give it another 5 inches of height. So if we got, alright, I'm going to do some math on the tape measure. I don't know if you can see me. Probably better to see it on this side. So we have 10 foot. That's 9. 10 foot 1.25. And then we want a 77. We got to see how much we're actually going to take off. It's really hard to do with long tape measure, but this is basically my calculator. So you do 10 foot 1.25, and then you follow down to 77 inches, I believe, which is down there. So we're gonna end up taking 44 inches off. 44 1/4 we're taking off. So we're gonna measure on the axle. 22 1/8 on each side. Well, just do 22. They could fill that 1/4 inch gap up with the butt weld in the middle, and then a sleeve over it. I'm not gonna play around with 1/8 of an inch here and an 1/8 of an inch there. I'm gonna go by quarters. So we'll cut a 22 inches on each side from the edge of the wheel. So we have to take into consideration the width of the wheel. We're gonna go from. I'm gonna start measuring from the outside, the very inside of the brake drum. That's that 44 inches is measurement from the tire. That tire is from sidewall to that flange of the brake drum. It's about 7 inches. So 22 minus 7. Get our handy dandy calculator out. 22 minus 7 gives us 15 inches. I don't actually. That's not gonna work. My calculations are wrong. We're taking 44 inches off. So that has nothing to do. We don't even know what 44 is. Just scratch that, but that's what's going to be left over. The real measurement we need is the 78 inches. 78 1/2. You go to the very tip of your tape measure, and that reads, I don't know if you can read that. Let's see if I can bring it in for you. 39 inches is the center of 78. This is a handy dandy tool. Tape. Oh, it also gives you measurements on the backside from eighths, the decimals of eighths, 16ths, 32nds. Gives you nail sizes, how many nails are per pound, wood screws per pound, sharpening angles, useful formulas, conversion tables, corded abrasives, common lumber dimensions, like the actual, and then the common size. It's a Comalon high visibility self-lock. I highly recommend it. It's literally $5-10 at Lowe's big box store. So we're doing 76, half of 76 is 39. 39 from the outside of the tires. So we're going to subtract 7 from 39. So here we are again, 39. Subtract 7, and we get 32. So we're going to cut 32 on the outside of the brake drum, and I'll get on the back side so you can see what I'm going to do here. 32 from the outside of the brake drum. It's basically right there. 32. Be right here. Spin this around. With the tape, another useful part of the tape measure. We're going to see that. Something off like rock. I can see the mark now, but we'll be able later. So that's where we're going to cut it on this one. We'll do the same on the other side. Probably cut this with a plasma cutter. I have to do a review for you guys. We're going from the inside of the brake drum. 32, it's 38, 37, 36, 35. There's 32.
is a very crude way of measuring things and marking them, but it's a dump box. I'm turning it into a dump trailer. I can't really complain. So we go from this mark here to this one, and it is 44 1/4. So we're only off 1/4 of an inch from the 1/4 inch I told you. So that ain't too shabby. So from those I marked. I don't know if you can see them. I know where they are. Let's see if I can get in there for you. Where are they? Right here's the mark right there. That's 32. And then the mark over here. 32 from the other side. We're gonna cut them. Find a piece of pipe that fits over the top of that. Get my calipers out. Measure that precisely. Well, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video. The next video I'll probably post. Today is okay. Probably post the next video on Friday. Friday's video I'll take all this off. I'll probably cut this. I'm not gonna splice it together yet, but I cut that, and then see if I can weld this C channel on there and get that ready to weld. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more.